Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In today's video, I'm going to show you a tool that you can use to spy on your competitors' YouTube ads. Again, this is a paid tool, link in the description. Now I'm going to show you exactly how this tool works. The tool is called Vidnetics, and it's simply a keyword research tool. For example, let's type in the keyword phrase green juice, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to search. This tool is going to scan videos. It's going to find the monetized videos, that being the videos that you can place your ads on, and you're going to be able to see the ads that are running on these videos right now, which is your competition. You're going to be able to watch those ads, see all the info about those ads, create a swipe list about those ads, as well as click on those links over on YouTube and check out all the information, again, spying on your competitors and their ads. You can see here that the monetized videos were successfully found, 19 videos scanned, 10 were found, and we're going to click close. You're going to see right here, this is finding all the ads that are currently running on these videos. And you'll scroll down, you'll see the videos here in question. You can see the channel information, the thumbnail, all the statistics here as far as views, likes, dislikes, comments, as well as when it was uploaded. And then all you simply need to do is click on this little eyeball, and it's going to show you the video ads that are running on this video. So I clicked right there. It's going to pull that ad in. I'm going to click pause. You can see right there, this is the video, Meat Need Cake. You can go ahead, you can check out the next video. That's going to be Grammarly. You can check out the next video, which is from Hulu. You can check out the next video right there. That's going to be Walt Disney World. Then again, you can just as quickly go back and you can find that ad right there, Meat Need Cake. You can go ahead and you can close this and you can click Add Info. It's going to load the ad info right there. You're going to see the ad title. You're going to see the raw link to YouTube channel, thumbnail, keyword tags, category, the duration, as well as the description. Now, what's so important about this is you can simply click on this and open this in YouTube. And by having that link, you can open that up in YouTube. You can look at things like the description, because a lot of times there will be some information left in the description, depending on the type of information they wanted to put in here, whether this is a public video or an unlisted video. Go back to Vidnetics, and at any point you can add this to a list right here. So you click Add to List, and then you can create a new list right here. So you can say green juice, and you can add that list right there. And now you have one video advert has been added to, updated in your swipe list called green juice. Then all you need to do is go back to search results. And again, you can go to the next video right here, click on this one. See the same thing right here that's happening, another video ad right there. Click on add info or directly add it to your list by clicking add to list. You can see right there, we're going to add this to green juice. We're going to add it right there. We're going to close this, and you're going to see one video advert has been added, updated in your swipe file. The other options such as channel search, placement list, and video info, again, simply by clicking on the little eyeball to pull the ads, and then once you do that, you can go down to your ad library. You can see your swipe file right here. The swipe file we just created called green juice. At any point, you can click on get links. It brings them up, then you have the links right there that you can go back and reference, or you can bring them in to do anything you need with and copy those into the buffer and take them outside of the tool. Now again, there's tons and tons of things this tool can do, to include an ROI calculator and also keyword research pro tool right here. Also, there are video tutorials and a complete YouTube ads course right there, but I'm going to cover that in the next video. I just wanted to introduce you to this tool called Vidnetics. Link in the description. Pop over, read this sales page, understand exactly what's going on with this tool, because again, finding your competitors' ads inside of YouTube is just one of the many things that this tool can do, as well as full and complete training on exactly how to run YouTube ads. So go ahead, click on the link in the description and head over, but understand before you do that this is a paid tool, and you can see the pricing structure right here, current as of this video, October 21st, 2020. Again, click on the link, check out Vidnetics. If you need a tool to spy on your competitors' YouTube ads, this is the one for you. Check it out. If this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like the videos you see right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.